Hi, TR here. This video is about the building document and cover letter. The building document is the practice that you will use to properly create the cover letter that we are asking you for. So, what do? Well, part A is about the building a cover letter. And this is about, again, your specific job or volunteer opportunity you're qualified for, you're currently qualified, not a position you'd like in the future. It needs to be the job you identified in your resume, which was from your marketing self. So before writing your cover letter, it's time to gather some information. Now, what we're saying here is you're going to go to my blueprint and you're going to find information that you can use in your building your cover letter template, which is your practice for your cover letter. And then that information you'll transfer to the cover letter itself or the cover letter template. So you need to, if you don't find the information in my blueprint, then you need to go out into Google, Alice, etc. to get the information you need in order to create this building document. Here's the template. Here's the link to the template rather. And here is the actual template that you're going to use. Again, job title, position, company, organization, and just read this information. Read what it says carefully, and then here, create your rough draft of your letter, of your cover letter. Simple, clear. All right, moving forward, then you're creating your cover letter. So again, you're going to my blueprint, but you're using my blueprint as, again, a practice. You're not going to submit the cover letter that you get from my blueprint, though it's a great foundation for creating a cover letter. What you're going to do is you're going to go down and you're going to use the cover letter template that we've provided for you. And of course, here's the link to the cover letter assignment tips. And of course, it's a content page before this cover letter assignment content page. So let's take a peek at the cover letter template, what you need to do. All right, so you will replace, except for the Calgary, Alberta part, this information about yourself. You're going to put a date here. You're going to replace this information from the actual company, except for the Calgary, Alberta. You're putting the position here that you're applying for. You're going dear to the person, the name of the person who will be reading the cover letter. People go, well, why? Why can't I go dear whomever, whatever? And I always say, if you were in a position to hire and somebody has taken the time and effort to find out your name versus somebody who's going to say, hey, dear, whatever, well, who do you think they're going to be looking at or seriously considering hiring? In my eyes, it's pretty obvious. Then there's the 3 paragraphs, and this is what you should need to have in the paragraphs. And then the thank you and your full name. Note, in paragraph 3, you want to add your email or phone number extra because that makes it easier for the person who would be reading. Key points to know. Do not keep the template text. Make it like you're actually sending it to an employer, and maybe you will be, which is an excellent decision, frankly. And then after you've done your cover letter, which you've used your building document to help you create, then you're going to do the knowing yourself, marketing yourself, and pathways exploration connection to your cover letter. And all of this is required for you to get your maximum mark for this assignment. Now, when you are done, you submit 2 documents, the building a cover letter template and the cover letter template, to the assignment folder, career portfolio cover letter. or I may add building document and cover letter. So if you have any issues, questions, or concerns, please feel free to send me a private discussion. Again, I'm available weekly at Monday through Friday from 12 to 1, and if need be, we can also set up another time. I'll do what I can to help. Thank you very much. Do have a good time. Looking forward to receiving this and giving you your maximum marks, plus understanding that you've learned a really important skill that's lifelong here. Take care. Bye now.